Imagine this. You've just moved into a beautiful new house in an American suburb. It's spacious, it's modern, but as you tap on the walls, you notice something different. It doesn't feel like solid concrete or heavy brick. Instead, it feels lighter, almost hollow. That's because, like millions of other homes across the United States, it's made primarily of wood. For many people visiting from other parts of the world, this is a real culture shock. Why would a country known for its towering skyscrapers and advanced technology build its homes out of wood? A material that seems so traditional. Are wooden houses just cheaper? Are they safe? Or is there a deeper, more fascinating story behind this American building tradition? Well, let's find out. The story of America's wooden houses begins centuries ago with the first European settlers. When they arrived in North America, they stepped into a world that was vastly different from the one they left behind. One of the most striking features was the sheer, seemingly endless expanse of forests. Trees were everywhere. Wood was an abundant, readily available resource. Back in Europe, many forests had already been cleared for agriculture and construction. Stone and brick were the go-to materials for building something permanent. But in the New World, quarrying stone or firing bricks was a slow, labor-intensive process. The settlers needed shelter, and they needed it fast. The forests provided the perfect solution. With just an axe and a saw, they could harvest timber and build log cabins and simple frame houses relatively quickly. This practicality established a building tradition that would shape the American landscape for centuries to come. As the nation grew and expanded westward during the 19th century, this reliance on wood only intensified. The balloon frame technique, invented in the 1830s, revolutionized home construction. Instead of using heavy, hand-carved timber beams, builders could use lightweight, machine-milled studs of lumber held together with mass-produced nails. This made building even faster and cheaper. A small crew of workers could frame a house in a matter of days. This speed was essential for building new towns and cities almost overnight as the population pushed across the continent. So, from the very beginning, wood was cemented in the American psyche as the material of choice for building a home. Fast forward to today, and you'll find that the core reasons for using wood haven't changed all that much. One of the biggest advantages is still speed. Building a house with a wooden frame is significantly faster than using concrete or brick. The components are lightweight, easy to transport, and can be assembled quickly on site. In a country with a constant demand for new housing, especially in rapidly growing suburbs, this efficiency is a game changer. Developers can build entire neighborhoods in a fraction of the time it would take with other materials, helping to meet market demand and keep construction timelines predictable. Then there's the all-important factor of cost. Simply put, wood is generally more affordable. The raw material is plentiful thanks to sustainable forestry practices. And the supply chain is incredibly wide. From logging companies to sawmills to lumberyards, the entire industry is optimized for wood construction. This keeps material costs down. Furthermore, building with wood requires less specialized labor and heavy machinery compared to masonry. These savings on materials and labor make homes more affordable for the average American family. When you're building millions of homes a year, even small savings per house add up to billions of dollars across the national economy. But it's not just about speed and cost. Wooden houses offer a unique kind of flexibility that's hard to match. Life changes. Families grow, kids move out, or you might decide you want an open-plan kitchen. Renovating a wooden house is remarkably straightforward. It's relatively easy to move an interior wall, add a new window, or even build an entire extension onto the house. The lightweight structure allows for modifications without needing massive, expensive structural reinforcements. This adaptability makes wooden homes a practical long-term investment for families whose needs evolve over time. You're not just buying a house, you're buying a home that can grow and change with you. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. What about safety? Aren't wooden houses more vulnerable to things like fire, termites, or even extreme weather? It's a valid concern, but modern American homes are a far cry from the simple cabins of the past. Today's houses are built according to incredibly strict building codes that are enforced at local, state, and national levels. These codes mandate specific fire safety measures. For example, drywall, which is used for interior walls, is specifically designed to be fire-resistant, giving occupants crucial time to escape in an emergency. Electrical systems are installed with multiple safeguards to prevent fires from starting. What about durability? Wood is treated with chemicals to resist rot and termites. Modern engineering techniques and materials, like engineered wood products, create structures that are incredibly strong and stable. And what about events like earthquakes? This is where wood has a surprising advantage. Unlike rigid materials like unreinforced brick or concrete, which can crack and collapse under seismic stress, wood is flexible. A wooden frame can bend and flex with the ground's movement, absorbing a significant amount of the energy from an earthquake. That's why in earthquake-prone regions like California, wood frame construction is often the preferred and safest method for residential buildings. So, when you see those sprawling American suburbs filled with wooden houses, you're looking at more than just a building choice. You're seeing a legacy. A tradition born out of the vast forests of a new continent, refined by innovation during westward expansion and perfected by modern engineering. It's a system that has become deeply woven into the fabric of the American housing industry. The entire ecosystem, from architects and builders to supply chains and skilled labor, is optimized for wood. To change this would require a monumental shift in the entire industry. Ultimately, the reason American houses are made of wood is a compelling mix of history, economics, and pure practicality. It started as the most logical choice for early settlers in a land of abundant forests. It continued because it was the fastest and most affordable way to build a growing nation. And it persists today because modern technology has made wooden homes safe, durable, and flexible, all while keeping them affordable for millions. What might seem strange or flimsy to an outsider is, in fact, a smart, efficient, and deeply historical solution to one of life's most basic needs, a place to call home. It's a fascinating example of how a country's geography and history can shape something as fundamental as the walls that surround us. Thanks for watching, and if you found this interesting, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more stories about the world around us. See you next time.